contentious legislative proposal is stirring heated debates in the US Senate. This proposal aims to halt all state-level AI regulations for the next decade, igniting a battle between tech giants and civil rights groups. The bill, part of the One Big, Beautiful Bill Act, seeks to create a uniform federal approach to AI. By preventing states from enacting their own rules, proponents argue it will prevent a confusing patchwork of laws. They believe this will foster innovation and keep the US competitive globally. However, critics are skeptical. They warn that such a moratorium could leave citizens unprotected against AI-driven discrimination, fraud, and election interference. Is a regulatory vacuum really the way to go? Recently, the Senate parliamentarian ruled that the bill could be passed with a simple majority through budget reconciliation. This decision has cleared the path for a potentially significant shift in AI governance. To enforce compliance, the bill introduces a financial lever. States defying the federal freeze could lose access to the $42 billion Broadband Equity Access and Deployment Program. This move has raised concerns about the coercive nature of the bill. Yet, the future of the proposal remains uncertain. It barely passed the House and faces opposition in the Senate. Some Republican senators have raised alarms about states' rights, potentially jeopardizing the bill in this tightly divided chamber. The arguments on both sides are well defined. A coalition of major tech companies like Amazon and Google supports the bill. They argue that a federal framework ensures the US retains its leadership in AI innovation. Conversely, over 140 civil society organizations and a bipartisan group of state attorneys general oppose the measure. They fear it would nullify existing protections against algorithmic bias in hiring, housing, and lending. The concern extends to unchecked election-related deepfakes. This debate is unfolding against a backdrop of significant AI legislative activity at the state level. In just 2025, 48 states introduced AI-related bills, and 26 have enacted new laws. States like California and New York are leading the charge in creating local regulations. As the Senate prepares for a pivotal vote, the result will shape the future of AI regulation in America. Will the US embrace a decade of unbridled innovation, or will states continue to experiment and protect their citizens? Stay tuned as we follow this critical story. Check out AI Nexus Daily for the full article, and don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date on the latest in AI.